Punjab's Chief Minister Amarinder Singh is saying that while all residents are welcome to come back home, they must not do this in hiding. They must not sneak in. This after almost all the new cases of coronavirus in Punjab have come from outside, a majority of them from the Gurdwara in Nanded in Maharashtra. Now, what does this mean for police officials on the ground? We are here with the Commissioner of Police in Ludhiana, Rakesh Agarwal. Rakesh ji, we saw the Chief Minister's statement. पहले तो आप ये समझाइए कि जो sneak in करके आ सकता है आदमी, वो कैसे आता है? वो without sort of declaring his presence at a time when the borders are sealed, वो कैसे आता है?
See, now the government has made it mandatory. Anybody who is coming to Punjab have to declare at the border that he is coming from which state, and then at the border, then we inform the Deputy Commissioner of the concerned district, and he is supposed to be in the quarantine, the government quarantine for 21 days. And only after the doctors clean chit, he is supposed to go to the homes. So the majority of the cases which we have in the Ludhiana is mostly of the outsiders, and
mostly from the Nanded.
Yes, mostly from the Hajur Sahib, and they are in the isolation facilities, and they are being treated, and most of them are asymptomatic, so they don't have any symptoms as such. So hopefully they will return to their home soon.
Have you managed to trace down the people who sneaked in? Sneaked in is the word that the Chief Minister used in his press briefing.
Yes, there were people who came on their own in their own private transport who didn't came in the government transport. So we have also traced them, and we have put them in the quarantine facilities.
And initially there was some plan to put them in home isolation, but I believe that's changed, and now everybody has to be in government-run quarantine centers.
Yes, because people generally don't follow the home quarantine principle, so now everybody is put in the government quarantine.
Now, some of the doctors we met, because we came from one of the government-run quarantine centers, one of the COVID hospitals, they said that the patients are sometimes misbehaving. They're angry, they're agitated, they can't understand what's happened. कईयों के केसेस में रिजल्ट्स जो हैं वो नेगेटिव आए हैं, पर दोबारा होने हैं टेस्ट, तो वो समझ ही नहीं पाते, वो अपनी बेडशीट्स फेंक रहे हैं, मिसबिहेवियर हो रहा है. हाउ आर यू डीलिंग विद दैट?
See, first of all, people have to understand that quarantine, although is a very fancy word, it does not mean anything. Quarantine means you have to stay in one room for next 15 or 21 days. And
a room you're sharing with other people.
And if you are sharing the room, then they are all of the same type, same group.
Right.
So if we talk of the police, 120 of our men were put to quarantine because they came in contact with the positive persons somehow during duties. So all of them did the 14 days quarantine period, and they were tested again, and they came negative.
But what about your police officers at the barricades? Now the point is that that's where the tests are happening, the first set of screening. How are they not exposed?
See, police has a very important duty and very tough one these days. We can't do away with the Naka points. We have to put the Nakas, we have to interact with the people. We don't know who will be positive and who is not. And then although we take all precautions like putting the gloves and mask and keeping distance, but still the chances of the virus catching is there. So
what are the numbers looking like now? Have all the pilgrims returned from Nanded, from Hajur Sahib?
Yes, if we talk of Ludhiana district as such, we have now total 67 patients who are positive as on this date, and 48 of them are from the outside. This includes the Kota students and the labor from the Jaisalmer and Madhya Pradesh and the Nanded.
And majority are from Nanded?
Yeah, majority of them are from Nanded, and more results are coming, so the figure may increase.
And how will you trace the people who were hiding?
See, because they were residing there in a group, so we have traced all of them.
How did they get in? अपना जुगाड़ करके
barricade. Yeah, there. See, Punjab has a long border, which is a porous one, and the many states are involved, and they come, and sometimes they also didn't know what are the SOPs and what are the procedures, so they came in their own vehicles.
Thank you, Rakesh Agarwal. Talking about the vulnerability and the challenges of the police, but also bringing home the danger of religious congregation in the age of the pandemic. It could be the Tablighi Jamaat, it could be the church, it could be a Jewish synagogue, it could be a temple, it could be a Gurdwara. The fact is, mass gatherings of any kind, it could also be a wedding and have nothing to do with religion. Mass gatherings of any kind are literally injurious to health.